Mankind Pharma, that is the stock in focus. In fact, the company just debuted on the bourses today, 26% higher. After a 20% premium listing, there was follow-up buying, and Mr. Rajeev Juneja of Mankind Pharma is joining us on the show today. Rajeev, thank you very much for joining us, and of course Ramesh Juneja also. Rajeev, let me ask you about growth, because now on you can talk about how the outlook is looking, especially in terms of profitability and revenue growth, etc. How do things look from here on? You've been outperforming the industry so far. Will the momentum sustain?
We're focusing on chronic side again, consumer side, and whatever in last couple of years we have done towards chronic side, they will start yielding response. We've always been a kind of a company which is on a journey of growth, penetration across India, domestic focused. 97% of sales of Mankind comes from India only. So that would be our domain only. That is what I can tell you right now.
Okay, talk to us about the outlook going forward with respect to the product portfolio, because it's quite strong at the moment. But what are the addition plans for FY24? Any new launches that you have lined up with respect to big, big launches?
I can put color on that. Yes, we will be focusing on the chronic side again. In last couple of years, 3-4 years time, we have added a lot of therapy area. Starting from Mumbai office, whether it's a respiratory side, whether it's a cardiology, diabetology, neuropsychiatry, a lot of things have been added. Now it's a time of consolidation. That's the color I can add. As far as the OTC side is concerned, we mentioned you, in OTC side, it's always size of a product which matters. Whatever products you have, to launch a product from scratch and make it big, sometimes it takes 7 to 10 years. So look at Manforce and Draga News, now Gasofast or Unwanted 72. So our plans are very, very simple. Whatever products we have got, focus is only one, that how can and how fast can we reach to the leadership side.
Rajeev, you have a very strong balance sheet. In fact, net cash of almost 300 crore. What are the plans for utilization of this particular fund? Would you also look at inorganic growth opportunities? Do you have any brands on mind which you would look to acquire?
Both sides, we are very, very clear about one thing, that this will always on the basis of opportunities. We are a kind of organization which have always worked, we have grown organically. But one opportunity came in the form of Panacea. We have done it, and yes, whatever extra funds will generate, naturally they are supposed to go for some kind of acquisition. But again, it will be very, very selective, depending on the price. And we have already mentioned that it will be India focused, it will be chronic side, or it will be consumer side. These things are very, very clear. They should really add value to Mankind's kitty of products. Only on those sites. We are not kind of an organization we are buy anything, acquire anything, until and unless we'll see that it really adds value to Mankind's existing portfolio.